Okay, so in this video, we'll be talking about multiplication of a quadratic expression with an integer. So you have two examples over here. So the idea behind it is still, of course, to remove the brackets and then simplify. Remove brackets and then simplify. So if you can remove the brackets, you're done. Okay, but of course, in the previous video, the bracket was very easy because there was no integer in front of it. Now we have one particular integer, this integer over here. So what do we need to do with this particular integer? Okay, so we have this thing called the distributive law. Which means everything that's outside the bracket will be distributed evenly to every single number. Okay, so we have something like this. So this 94 will multiply together with this, and then this 94 will again multiply together with positive x, and then this negative 4 will also multiply together with minus 3 over here. Okay, so how do we present our working? Okay, so we have negative 4 minus negative multiplied by negative 2x squared plus x minus 3. So when we distribute them, we will have this will multiply together, so we have negative 4 multiplied by negative 2x squared, and then my negative 4 multiplied by positive x, and then negative 4 multiplied by negative 3. So to help you see this better, so negative 4, okay, will be distributed evenly to every single term. So let's highlight the every single term. So negative, sorry, so the negative 2x squared is in yellow, so it will get distributed here, and then the positive x is in green, okay, positive distributed here, and then negative 3 is here, we have here. So we will end up with negative 4, and again remember negative and negative become positive. So negative 4 times negative 2x squared will get me 8x squared. Minus 4 times x will get me minus 4x. And then minus 4 times minus 3, negative 4 times negative 3 will get me positive 12 plus 12. And then because there's no other like terms, that's done. Okay? So we will now combine multiplication of a quadratic expression with an integer together with addition and subtraction in try 8. Okay, so in try 8, we have these two questions. So let's say the first question, part A, we have 5 bracket 2x squared minus 1 plus 3 bracket negative x squared plus x minus 3. So this 5 will get distributed to both the 2x squared and also to the minus 1. Okay, but it won't go beyond that because the bracket ends here. And then this 3 over here will get distributed, okay, to whatever that's inside the bracket. So negative x squared, then we have positive x, and then we have minus 3 over here. Oops. Okay, so how do we present our working? We have equals to, so 5 times 2x squared, so 5 bracket 2x squared plus 5 bracket negative 1, and then the bracket stops there. Then we have plus 3 bracket negative x squared plus 3 bracket x plus 3 bracket negative 3, and then we just have to simplify everything. So 5 times 2x squared is 10x squared plus 5 times minus 1 is minus 5 plus 3 times negative, so positive times negative is negative, minus 3x squared plus 3 times x is just simply plus 3x, and then plus 3 times negative 3 is minus 9. Then of course, because now we have more than one like terms, we have 10x squared and minus 3x squared. We have the constant term minus 5 and negative 9. Okay, the 3x is alone, there's no other like terms, so we need to rearrange the terms first. We have 10x squared minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 5 minus 9. So we will get 7x squared plus 3x minus 14. Okay, so over here basically the first part is basically to distribute. Okay, so this part over here is basically distributing, removing the brackets by distribution law. And after that, we just need to rearrange and collect the like terms so that we can simplify over here. All right. So that's it, basically. Nothing much to it. Okay, we'll take a look at part B. Okay, part B also does the same thing. So part B, we have negative 2 bracket negative 4 x squared plus 3x minus 1 minus 7 bracket x squared minus x minus 4. Okay, so far you see I've been highlighting all the important things I need to do. So over here I've highlighted the things that I'm going to distribute. Then I highlight all the like terms. Okay, so let's try to do this question without highlighting. Okay, and then if you see that you can do this question without highlighting, then so be it. Okay, then there's to highlight in exam. But are we allowed to highlight these things in exam? Of course. It's part of your working, it's part of your understanding. So if highlighting makes it obvious for you, please go out to the bookshop later on, or go out to the bookshop when school reopens and just buy a multicolor highlighter, because it will help you a lot in algebra especially. Okay, and they won't fault you for highlighting stuff. Okay, so do highlight if you need to, because and also the reason why you use highlighter is because you are only allowed to use a blue or black pen, so you can't use a multicolored pen. Okay, so anyway, so let's try to do this question without highlighting. So first we will distribute the negative 2. So we will have negative 2 bracket negative 4x squared, and then minus 2 still, so minus 2 3x, and then minus 2 and negative 1, so minus 2 and negative 1. And then we'll stop there because the bracket ends there, and then we'll distribute this negative 7, so minus 7 bracket x squared minus 7 bracket minus x, and then minus 7 and minus 4, so minus 7 bracket negative 4. And then you will expand everything, so you have negative 2 times negative 4x squared. I have 8x squared minus 2 times 3x minus 6x minus 2 times negative 1. I will have plus what, plus 2. 7 times x squared, so I have minus 7x squared. Minus and minus, negative and negative becomes positive, so plus 7x, and negative become positive again, so we have plus 28. And then we'll rearrange all the like terms together, so we have 8x squared. And then let's look, is there any more x squared? We do, we have minus 7x squared here, so minus 7x squared minus 6x. Let's take a look, is there any more x? There is, plus 7x. And then we have plus 2 and plus 28, so plus 2 plus 28. And then we can simplify them. 8x squared minus 7x squared, I will get x squared. Minus 6x plus 7x, I will get plus x. And then plus 2 plus 28, I will get plus 30. And I'm done. Okay, so you realize that, yes, perhaps without the highlighter, it might look cleaner, but some of you might be confused because, hey, what am I doing? I might get lost along the way. So if you need to highlight like this kind, I highlight where's my distributive term that I'm going to distribute. Then I highlight all the like terms. If you need to do so, go ahead. Okay, nobody's stopping you. Okay, so my suggestion is highlight if you need to. Okay, but anyway, to summarize, when it comes to simplifying quadratic expressions, be it when you are adding, subtracting, or multiplying with an integer, the whole idea is always to remove the bracket, and then after you remove the bracket, you simplify by collecting all the like terms together. Okay, so this is the whole concept behind our quadratic expressions for today's lesson. Okay, so if there's any question, do drop me a text. If not, have a good day ahead. I will leave you guys to do your more practice in exercise 7.2. Okay.